Yeah, I wish I know this earlier. So nowadays, it's not maybe getting a job alone that can make you money. You can do whatever you want and you still make money. You can be sharing your life the way you maybe you go through every day and you still make money. I never knew this, and I feel regretted for not knowing this for long. Because if you check, most of people, they'll be sharing their life stories and they are still making money online. Like they'll be sharing their life stories, how they normally go through every day, what their activities that they do, but they still make money. So nowadays, everything is about the internet. So if you have any skill, please don't hide it. Just make sure you bring it out and you're going to make something out of it. Because if you check, nowadays somebody can be inside and they still the person can be indoors for a whole day or a whole month, but this person will still be a billionaire, and you will be wondering, how did that person make that money? So nowadays it's about the internet. So if you know how to put yourself, you're going to make a lot of money. Look at some people. You see some people will be eating food and they are just acting that way and they are making money out of that. You will see somebody will be acting some way. You may see it to be foolish, but the person is making money out of it. Everybody is having a unique character which is different from other. So make sure you present that unique character, and people are going to like the way you are and they are going to follow you for whom you are, and you're going to make money out of that. Because the social media, like the apps, they are going to pay you for that, because they will be running ad on your videos and other things. So they are going to pay you for all that. If you are just having anything in mind, put it on the internet. If you are having something bothering you, put it. You are going to be seeing solutions. People are going to be putting solutions on that, and people are going to be commenting. There is no problem that have ever happened like that will happen to you and have never happened before. So if you put it online, if you're having an issue, put it online. You are going to get solutions. People are going to tell you their story, how they were able to go through it. If maybe it is possible, they even tell you how to also manage with it. So never hide anything nowadays. If you are feeling like any pain, if you are having any issue, you are struggling with something, just feel free to put it online. Feel free to put it, but make sure that the things you are putting is not something that will put you at risk of maybe exposing your health or privacy to an extent that is not actually normal. Don't do that, but make sure that anything that can benefit somebody, put it out there, and people are going to like it and they're going to just consume the content. They're going to consume the content and you're going to make money out of that. So you don't need to joke nowadays. Even your daily activities, you can be doing it and be posting it online. It doesn't matter. Don't mind if you have not getting anything. Don't mind if you have not getting maybe any view. You put it and you have not gotten any view. Put it again, put it, continue to put it, and you're going to be getting views out of that. So guys, that's how it is. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow the page for more. So bye bye for now.